How to set up an online presence for you and your business. How easy are you to find online? Because in a nutshell, that's what having an online presence is all about. Statistics show that 97% of all consumers use the internet to find a business. No buyer journey is the same, but I'm guessing when you have a problem to fix, you'll go to Google or some other form of online search engine to find the answer. In this short video, we'll share some strategies that you can use to build your own online presence so your customers can find you when they need you. This video is split into 4 chapters, so if you hover over the time bar, you can skip to whatever chapter you'd like to watch. We hope you enjoy it.
Having a personal website is a must, but most people haven't got one because they think it's either a bit egotistical or they presume it's complicated and a waste of time. Both of these assumptions are wrong. A personal website helps you build your personal brand and makes it easy for your audience to find you and get to know you. It showcases the knowledge and expertise you've gained over your career and positions you as an expert in your field. It's also a great place to host media and press that you're featured in, award recognition, podcast, blogs, and case studies. It can even be used to introduce you as a speaker and open up an alternative income stream through paid speaking engagements. Here's how to get started. Sites like Card and Squarespace allow you to create simple, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. They come with ready-made templates that you can customize to suit your business. You can even sell products, and they're low cost. If you want something a bit more fancy, or you don't have the time to build it yourself, use a pro. We build personal websites for clients at Moja and can help you with the setup, copy, design, and optimization.
Once you've built and published your website, you need to get it on Google. And I don't mean 4 or 5 pages in. It needs to be on page 1, as no one looks beyond the first page, right? Search engine optimization is a bit of a minefield, but thankfully, there's lots of information out there about SEO and how to improve it, including keywords, backlinks, and page optimization. If SEO fills you with dread and keywords make your head spin, at the very least, get familiar with the basics of optimizing your site for search engines through Google's Search Console. It'll measure your site's search traffic and performance, highlight issues you need to fix, and shine a spotlight on your site in Google search results, all of which will help you rank on the first page of Google. It's super easy to use, and here's some ways it can help you. It can confirm that Google can find and crawl your site. It can fix indexing problems and request re-indexing of new or updated content. It can view Google search traffic data for your site to check how often your site appears in Google search. And it can resolve issues when Google encounters indexing, spam, or other issues on your site. And it can also identify which sites link to your website. And finally, it can troubleshoot mobile usability and other search features. So what are you waiting for? Help your audience find everything there is to know about you in one place.
YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by the first, Google. That means if you're not already on YouTube, you need to be. Posting YouTube videos with strong keywords will help maximize your online presence. After all, with Google owning YouTube, it makes sense that YouTube videos are displayed in Google search results. When building your YouTube channel, start by identifying who your audience is and narrowing down your niche. This will help you plan and create content for your target audience. A great way to come up with content for your channel is to think about your audience and solve a problem they might be experiencing. We've all done it, right? Headed to YouTube for a visual guide on something we need help with. Whether it's technical advice, product reviews, or how to fix something, you can guarantee YouTube has the answer. And guess what? YouTube isn't just about solving problems. It's also a great place to host your podcast if you have one or are considering starting one. Think about it. If you want to reach a wider audience, then why wouldn't you upload it to a platform that has billions of people browsing it every day? More people listen to content on YouTube than anywhere else. At the time of recording this video, YouTube has overtaken Spotify to become the largest podcast consumption platform in the US. And it doesn't even need to have a video for it to be successful. People don't mind listening while they're doing other things like walking, exercising, or just sitting back to relax and enjoy an episode. It's pretty easy to upload a static image to an audio file and convert it to an MP4 file. There'll be lots of apps available on your phone that will help with this. If you really want to include video but have limited resources, Zoom is an excellent and easy option. If you want to go one step further to guarantee sound quality, then Riverside FM is the platform for you. It even lets you export clips and teasers for social media. The biggest mistake you can make is wasting your time. Start building your YouTube audience today. It won't grow on its own, so here are 7 tips to help you build that all-important audience. Familiarize yourself with the YouTube algorithm. It's super important as it's the system which decides which videos YouTube suggests on the What's Up Next sidebar. Carefully craft descriptions, tags, and titles for relevant keywords. Use timestamps in your descriptions to section the video to help viewers find what they're looking for. Make your thumbnails stand out and ensure it works in tandem with the title. Canva is an excellent design tool with a free version that will help you create attention-grabbing images. Organize your content using playlists. This is especially useful for a sequence of videos or if you're hosting your podcast on YouTube. As soon as one episode or video ends, the next will begin. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel, and don't forget to promote your YouTube channel across all of your social media channels using teasers or clips.
Social media platforms are an excellent tool to help you build your personal brand and reach a wider audience. Creating a well-connected online network by posting regular, engaging content can bring new and exciting opportunities and influence your SEO rankings on Google. For example, when you share quality content that resonates with your audience, they share it with their audience, and that amplifies your audience further. It increases visibility, improves traffic, and generates backlinks. These are social signals that notify Google that you and your website are credible, which could, in turn, support the rankings of your website and social media channels on Google. But which social platform is the best? Let's take a look at LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. First up, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great place to share your knowledge, gain insights, and lead the conversation. Remember, it's not all about posting. You also need to engage with your audience and create meaningful conversations. Consider writing LinkedIn articles to answer problems people in your industry are experiencing. This will soon make you the go-to person and position you as a thought leader. Simplify the process and use the copy from your YouTube videos. Repurposing content will make your life so much easier. Next, Twitter. Twitter is more conversational. Look for a relevant Twitter hour, a regular 1-hour event set up on Twitter that allows you to contribute to a conversation using a hashtag. This is an excellent opportunity to connect with like-minded people, share your expertise, and increase the reach of your tweets. And finally, Instagram. Now more than ever, people are looking for brands they can identify with and engage with on a personal level. Instagram is more visual than LinkedIn and Twitter, and it's a great way to show your audience what it's like behind the scenes, an insight into your life, allowing you to connect with your audience in a meaningful way. Use stories and reels to share instant news and help them visualize what you have to offer. There are other social platforms such as Facebook and TikTok, but do your research to identify where your audience hangs out to connect with them in a meaningful way. Ask yourself, do I need to be on one platform or several? Remember, you must keep active and consistent on whatever platform or platforms you choose. Spoiler alert, it's pretty easy to be inconsistent and drop off the face of the earth, resulting in zero online presence. To avoid that, here are my 4 top tips. Post regularly to keep your pages populated with your latest ventures. Use video clips and teasers to promote content on your YouTube channels and increase subscribers. Google takes time to update its rankings, so stay consistent and keep your profile active. Post any media and press coverage you get to entice people in and help you move up the rankings.
As we said at the start of this video, everyone should have a personal website. Hopefully, we've sold the idea to you and you'll set one up so you can help potential clients to find you. Don't procrastinate over this. It's time to get your name out there, create brand trust, and build your reputation in your industry and beyond. After all, people do business with people that they know, like, and trust. As always, if you'd like any help with setting up your online presence, speak to me or one of the team at Moja, and we'll be happy to help you out.